Okay, and I'm ready to start building walls. I have them all cut and laid out. It's snowy as hell today. It's freezing cold. I think first I'm gonna put these stairs in. I got the guy with the forklift over there to lift all this shit up. He lifted my stairs up. So I get this big set of stairs. I'll have to drag it over there and get it in this hole. Except I didn't put the basement ones in yet, so it's a long way down. I think I'm gonna put some sticks across there so I don't drop them into the basement. And then I'll try and get them down there. Okay, now I got a sheet of plywood down there, so it shouldn't fall down the hole. I'm gonna drag it over from there. I think I'm gonna put it in from this side and then tip it down over to there. I didn't realize when I built that wall, but I built it too high, so I cut it out. I'm just gonna push it over. I'll have to cut the top down later. Let's see if I can drag that huge stairs over here. Okay, now I got them over to here. I'm gonna try to drop the bottom down so it lands down there, and then I'll bring the top over to here. I'm worried though that when I go to pick that end up, it's just gonna slide right down there. Maybe I'll nail a stick on across sideways so that it kind of catches and it doesn't go all the way down on me. Okay, now I got the stick nailed on here. I measured it up from the bottom of the floor to the top of this floor. It's 10.1 1/4, so I put this about 10 feet. And that should hold it up so it doesn't actually touch the ground. And then I'll have to kick the stick off and then try and get it down. We'll see if I can do that. Well, it worked. Okay, that kind of worked. Now I'm gonna have to go, since it's kind of that hole it could fall into, I'm gonna have to nail a stick on so it doesn't swing back before I can kick this stick off. So go down there and do that. Okay, I didn't actually have to nail a stick, I just put this 2x6 in there, so that's holding it. Now, once I go up and knock that top 2x6 off, it'll drop down, sit onto here, then I nailed this on so it doesn't slide out, and then I'll go up there, tip it back, and nail it up to there. And then I'll have stairs, I won't have to climb up the ladder to get up there anymore. Okay, I guess I put that stick on too close, and now it's sticking up too high. So I'll have to go take that off so it slides down. I can get it flush to here. And now I got some stairs in. Okay, now I'm going to try and get the basement stairs in. I'm going to have to cut that beam off that's sticking out. I think I can leave those two. I'll cut them off once I have the stairs in. I can stand on the stairs. Have to move all that shit out of the way. The stairs are out here. That big set, all buried in the snow. So I'm gonna try and get them up through here in the door, and drop them down there, and try and nail them up to here. Okay, I got that beam cut off. Got a spot for the stairs to land. Now I'll go try and drag them in here. Well, that was a fail. Now I gotta pick that end up and get it back up there. And I don't feel like doing that right now. I think that's it for today. It's time to go have a beer.